Welcome to the heritage town of Taal, Batangas, a place where history feels alive and every corner tells a story. Ang pangalan Taal ay nagmula sa salitang nangangahulugang katutubo o native, kaya mula pa noon, kilala na ito bilang bayan ng mga tunay na Taaleño na may malalim na kultura at tradisyon. The original town of Taal was once located beside the old Bombon Lake, now known as the Taal Lake. But after the powerful eruption of the Taal volcano in 1754, the community moved to higher ground where Taal stands today.
Buhay! I am Juliana Serafael, the tour for today. So, we are here in Taal Basilica. In 1572, Christ founded Taal Basilica in the coast of Balamon.
One of the most iconic landmarks of the town is the Basilica de San Martin de Tours. It is recognized as the largest Catholic church in Asia. Ang unang simbahan ay itinayo noong 1575 pero nasira dahil sa pagsabog ng bulkan. Kaya itinayo muli ito noong 18,000 with a grander and stronger design. When you enter the basilica, you will immediately notice the massive columns, wide arches, and the majestic altar that truly shows the artistry of colonial architecture.
In 1581, Taal as its capital, the province of Batangas was founded, which originally covered Southeast Laguna, parts of Camarines, Mindoro, and Marinduque.
Another historical spot is the Spanish Cemetery or Libingan ng Kastila. It may look simple, but it carries centuries of stories. Dito, makikita ang lumang lapida at mga nicho na nagsisilbing paalala ng impluwensyang Kastila sa bayan. It is a quiet place, yet deeply symbolic of Taal's past. Now, let's walk through the famous heritage houses of Taal. Some of the best preserved bahay na bato in the entire country. The Marcela Agoncillo House tells the story of the women behind the first Philippine flag. Inside, you will find antique furniture, old documents, and the replica of the flag she hands saw. The Don Leon Apacible Museum showcases the life of a revolutionary lawyer closely connected to the movement of independence. The Villa Vicencio houses, both the wedding gift house and the ancestral home, are beautifully designed and known for their role in supporting the Katipunan. There is also Galleria Taal, a heritage home turned into vintage camera museum, displaying hundreds of old cameras and photographs. At makikita rin ang Casa Real.
Mabuhay! I'm Chris Anjoy B. Perez. And I'm Cristela M. Aguila. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Eskwela Pia, kung saan ibabahagi namin sa inyo ang kasaysayan nito.
At ang matandang Eskwela Pia na dating government building at school. Another symbol of the Taal that stands out is the balisong or the butterfly knife. This handcrafted blade represents the ingenuity of the Taaleño artisans. Since the early 19,000s, Panday from Taal have been creating balisong using strong steel, wood, and horn handles. The folding mechanism is what makes it unique. The blade is hidden between two handles, allowing it to open like butterfly wings. May iba't ibang disenyo, mula sa simple hanggang sa artistic, at mas mabusisi. Today, the balisong remains not just a product, but a tradition passed down through generations, a true pride of Batangas.
Mabuhay! I am Rex Alvin Mendoza. Nandito tayo sa paggawaan ng mga barok tayo at sa barok Tagalog. Dito ay itatanong natin kay ate ang kung paano nila ginagawa ang mga magagandang disenyo ng mga damit at pambaba. Ate, paano niyo po ginagawa ang damit po na ano po? Ano pong klaseng tela ang ginagawa? Kagaya na rin. Ano tayong
Candy crush.
Candy crush. Princess Lamin. Pina-pattern muna, tapos bago itahin. So, kung kumari lang naman po dito, kumari uupa po kami narenta po kami, magkano naman po? Pag din 1.5. Din 3.5. Depende. So, ayan po. Thank you po.
In the end, the Taal, Batangas is more than just a town. It is a living museum filled with stories of faith, culture, craftsmanship, and resilience. Every church, every house, every street, and local products represent the heart of the Taaleños. Ang Taal ay hindi lang lugar, isa itong yaman ng Pilipinas at patunay ng napakayaman nating kasaysayan.
Sikat ang tapat mo din sa